So now we'll discuss about the properties of integers. Previously we have already discussed about what are integers, absolute value of the integers, integers in daily life, sign convention, over. Now we'll discuss about the properties of integers. So properties of integers will apply on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So how these properties? First one is the closure property. The closure property is nothing but a plus b equal to c. All are the integers. A, b and c are integers. So that means if we take a as an integer, b is an integer, then c will also be an integer. For example, I'll take a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3. So what will get in the result? It will be minus 1. So minus 1 is also an integer, is the closure property. For the subtraction, if a, b, c are the integers, then in the subtraction what will get? A minus b equal to c. Okay. So a minus b equal to c. This is the closure property. So if I will take a equal to 2 minus of b equal to minus 3, what the value will get? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 5 is an integer. So in the closure property is nothing but if a and b are integers, for any operation we are getting the result as an integer. So a, b here integers and we are getting c as an integer. Here a, b are integers and c, whatever the value we are getting here is an integer. The same thing for multiplication. For multiplication, we will take a into b equal to c. If we a, we will take 2 into minus 3. So it will be minus 6. That is an integer. But in the division, the closure property will not hold the good. How? Now if a divided by b, we are not getting integer. What we are getting? So a, if we will take a is 2 divided by b equal to minus 3. We are getting a divided by b equal to a by b. Here we are getting 2 by minus 3. So this a by b, it may be an integer, may be a fraction or rational number. So this closure property is not true for division. For addition, for subtraction and for multiplication, it is true. The closure property holds good. Now we will go for the commutative property. The second one is commutative property. So in commutative property, if we will consider a and b are integers, the commutative property will be a plus b is equal to b plus a. That means if we will change the place of integers, it will remain the same. So for example, if I'll show you with the example, then you will better understand. So if we will take a equal to 2 plus b equal to minus 3, and if we will change the place here, it will be minus 3 plus 2. Then now we'll check whether they are equal or not. So 2 plus of minus 3, that is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Here minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So they are equal. Here in the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this property was good. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. That means if we change the place of integers, then the value will remain same. The result will be the same. So now we'll check for the subtraction. Whether the subtraction, the commutative property can be applied or not. If we'll take a minus b, whether it is equal to b minus a, whether it is equal to or not. We'll check it now. So if I'll take a is 2, b is minus 3, then what will be the answer in the left hand side? In the left hand side, the answer will be 2 minus of minus 3. It will become plus 3, and in the left hand side, the answer is 5. The result will be 5. In the right hand side, what will be the result? So b equal to minus 3 and a equal to 2. So minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5. So it is here 5 and this is minus 5. So a minus b will never be equal to b minus a. So when the a minus b and b minus a will not applicable for this commutative, this subtraction will be not applicable for this commutative property. Now we'll check for the multiplication. For the multiplication, what will be the property? The commutative property will be like a into b is equal to b into a. So with the example I'll show you. If a equal to 2 into b equal to minus 3, then if you are in the right hand side, that b equal to minus 3 into a equal to 2, then what will be the result? We'll check. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, because 2 into the magnitude will multiply, it will give 6 and the sign will be negative. And here the 3 into 2 will be 6, the sign will be negative. So minus 6 is equal to minus 6. So both are left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So the commutative property is applicable for the multiplication. So now we'll check for the division. Whether a divided by b is equal to b divided by a or not. Okay. So a by b, if I take a equal to 2 divided by minus 3, it will be the result will be 2 by minus 3. So in the right hand side, it will be b divided by a. B means minus 3 divided by a is 2. So it will give minus 3 by 2. So 2 by minus 3 is not equal to minus 3 by 2. So in the division, this commutative property cannot be applied. So only for addition and for multiplication, this property is applicable. For subtraction and division, this property is not, it cannot be applied. So we'll go. The remaining concepts will be discussed in the next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new uploads on other topic. If you are understanding all the concepts, like my video and share with your friends to get the benefits. And most importantly, don't forget to ask doubts in my description box where you will get my WhatsApp link. Thank you.